Hello, third graders. Welcome to lesson 2.8. Today we are going to go ape. That's right. You have a gorilla there. He's an example of an ape. So are we, by the way. APE stands for the following: answer, prove, and explain. And when you are looking at a complex math problem, or even a math problem that you're just asked to go into a little in depth on, you are going to use this strategy, the APE method. You're going to go APE. We're going to answer, prove, and explain your work. So we'll get to this in just a moment. Let me get rid of it for now. Here's our first problem that I'd like to look at. It says there are 20 children in each art class. If 4 children can sit at each table, how many tables do they need? So I'm going to answer this, I'm going to prove it, and then I'm going to explain it. So there are 20, can we make this bigger? You sure can. Okay, there are 20 children in art class, and the children are going to sit 4 at a table. So I'm going to draw the tables here. Well, let's see. I don't know how many I'm going to need yet. I'm going to put 4 children at each one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are beautiful children. Can you see? 2, 3, 4. Let's see. I did 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4 more is 12. So I need more. Okay, am I there yet? Nope, I need another table. I've got room over here. Do I have 20? 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 8 more is 12. 12, excuse me, plus 4 more is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I did it. And it says, how many tables do they need? Well, I can identify that we need 5 tables, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so I'm going to put that down here where it says 5 tables. Now, remember, we said we were going to use this APE strategy. So we have to make sure that we have the answer, the proof, and the explanation, because we have to use pictures and words to show our thinking. So the answer, we have that. It's right there. Bing! The proof, we have that also. Now, if we wanted to write it as a division problem, we could. This would count as the proof also. Right? 20 divided by 4 equals 5. But if you just have the picture, that's fine. So we have the proof. Now we have to explain. And so we are going to write that in a complete sentence. And so will you in a little bit, right? We would say, if we divided the 20 students into equal groups, of 4, then, oh, can't see that, we would need 5 tables. Okay, so now we have done the last part. You can check that off. You have to have the answer, the proof, and the explanation, right? The explanation is going to have words that explain. All right, so let's look at this one here together. There are 20 children in music class. If 6 children can sit at each table, how many tables do they need? All right, what do you think I should do first? All right, I think that too. Let's draw a table. Put 6 kids in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because remember, we have to have pictures and words in this page because that's what the directions said. All right, can we make another table? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, those are supposed to be kids. All right, so how many kids do we have sitting at tables so far? we have 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. So let's make another table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. How many kids are at our tables now? We have 18, don't we? And we want to get 20 children sitting there. 20 children. So how many kids? We have 18 sitting here at these tables. There's 20 kids. How many kids are not sitting down yet? 2 kids are not sitting down. So what should we do with those 2 kids? Should we send them to the office? Send them home? No, right? What do we need to get? We need to get another table. And only 2 kids are going to sit at that table, and that's fine. Okay. So the question now, how many tables were needed? What's the answer? You need 1, 2, 3, 4 tables. 4 tables. There's our answer. Here's our proof. And now what do we need to do? We need to explain. Explain. So we need to type a sentence or more about what we did. Okay. First, we split. Well, let's see. First, we drew a table and added 6 kids. Then we did that twice more until we had 18 kids sitting. We had to add 1 extra table for the last 2 kids. Okay, now we have explained what we did, right? You have to make sure that this explanation, bloop, there it is. So APE, answer, prove, and explain. All right, so you are going to be working on this page in your math journal. It is page number 50. Okay, so math journal page 50. And you can see that you have a question here, and you have to use drawings and numbers and words, right? Just like we were doing, drawings, numbers, and words. You have a whole bunch of space here, don't you? So your answer is going to go down here. Your proof, right? Your picture will be here, probably a number sentence maybe, and then you will also write your sentences or sentence, right? You probably need more than one, and there's plenty of room for you to write there. So make sure that you have completed your work before turning it in. All right, third graders, that is the end of this lesson. I will see you next time. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.